Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make a best 2D platformer game design on GDevelop software. Friends, I will give you full tutorial on platformer 2D game design, and in the end of this project I will show you how to monetize our game with Google AdMob and with Facebook ads. And I'll show you how to upload this game on Amazon App Store, Facebook Instant Game, App Center, AppTwire, Crazy4Games, Poki Games, and many more game websites. So before begin, I request to you, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please click on the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get my new videos notification. So let's start the video. Click on a create a new project, and from here choose the path and click on empty game. Go to game setting, properties, and type your game name. I'm gonna to type Nightman. Okay, and type your package name, and here will be game name. Nightman. Okay, and type your author name. Now change the game resolution. Its width will be 90 and 20, and its height will be 10 and 80. And change this one also. Now click on apply. Add a new scene. Rename this scene level 1. Okay, click on level 1 and scroll down. Now open grid for make it easy. Click on setup grid, and it will be 64, and here also 64, and click on apply and show the grid. Okay, click on add a new object, a sprite. I'm gonna to type, it will be wall. Okay, click on add an animation, edit with p-scale, and from here change its width. It will be 64 and the height will be 64, and click on resize. Okay, click on save. Now click on apply. Now drag this wall Okay, so now after making this design, create a character object, add a new object, click on sprite, and object's name will be player. Add an animation, add. Friends, if you don't have a player assets, then you can download from Canny website. Okay. Add an animation, click on add, and select this one, alien walking, and click on open. Now click on loop and preview this one. It's good. Click on OK and click on apply. Now add a behavior to this. Click on behaviors, add a behavior, and its behavior will be platformer character. Okay, click on apply and make a behavior for this wall. Edit object, behaviors, add a behavior, and its behavior will be platform. Click on apply. Now drag this one. Change its size. Width will be 64 and height 64. Okay. Now I have to edit a hitbox for this player. Okay. Click on edit hitbox. And click on apply. And now go to events. Add an event, add condition, other conditions, and keyboard, key press. If right key will be press. Okay. Then click on add an action, player, and player's animation will be changed. Okay. Change the animation, set to, it will be 1. Add condition, player, and select this one, player is moving. Click on OK. And now copy this one and paste it. Okay. And change this one. It will be left. Okay, and click on add action and type here flip the object horizontally, and it will be player. Click on OK. It will be yes. Okay, and copy this one and paste here. And now add an event, add a condition, player is moving, and set it invert condition when player is not moving. Okay. Then add action and click on player and change its player animation. Change the animation and set to it will be 0. Okay. Click on OK. Go to level 1 and change its color. I'm gonna to take it black background. Okay. And off this grid. Add a new event, air condition, player. When player is moving, okay, air action, other actions, and select this one. Center the camera on the object, okay. Select player. When player will be moved, then camera will be also move, okay, and click on OK. Now let's preview it. Here we go. You can see when player is moving, then camera is also moved. So in next video I'll show you how to array enemies on this project, okay. So I wish this video is helpful for you. So subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get my new videos notification. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video.